Welcome back, and I guess we can officially say, Scott, the weekend is here, right?
It is here.
And a lot of people heading out to enjoy. Some will be flying out, some driving, and others just enjoying what's available right here in Savannah, and also making sure that we honor those who have sacrificed for us.
Absolutely, because that is the reason for the weekend.
Absolutely.
And as far as the weekend, it's going to be a mixed bag for us. We're going to be looking at some hot temperatures and also some storm chances, especially into the second half of the weekend and for Memorial Day itself. Right now, stepping outside, we saw that view out along the Savannah River, a little bit of filtered sunshine over the city. There's some smoke working its way in from the west once again, but not a huge issue, just filtering that sunshine for us. But we have warmed into the upper 80s to lower 90s this afternoon. 91 degrees for Jessup and Hinesville, 90 degrees though for us here in Savannah. A little bit cooler for Hilton Head. They're actually cooling off because of the sea breeze being a factor for today, down into the lower 80s. Still feeling pretty comfortable across the region because the dew point temperatures are still fairly low, upper 50s to lower 60s. This gives us a good indication that tomorrow for some of us will again start off in the lower 60s by Saturday morning. But these dew points, the measure of moisture in the atmosphere, will be climbing through the weekend. So as our temperatures heat up, the feels like temperatures will be a little bit hotter as well, and we will be looking at high temperatures in the upper 80s to lower 90s over the weekend. If you're heading to the beach locations for tomorrow, staying a little bit cooler for some of us, upper 70s to lower 80s. Certainly keep an eye on the sky for the chance for a couple of stray showers in the later part of the day, but that's going to be more of an issue heading into Sunday and into Memorial Day. Scattered showers and storms expected Monday, Tuesday, and into Wednesday. Slightly lower rain chances for Thursday and into Friday of next week. And because of the temperatures creeping up into the 90s by the time we get into early next week with these storm chances, we'll have to keep an eye out for some stronger storms. But especially for Sunday, even though the storm chances will be a little bit lower, we do have a slightly greater risk, still on the low end of the scale, but a greater risk for a few of those storms becoming strong and severe. We have a stationary boundary draped across the region attached to an area of low pressure over the Rocky Mountains. It's a trough of low pressure out there. This will help some moisture to work its way into our area, which will bring us those rain chances, especially as we do go into the later part of the weekend. So isolated severe storms possible for us on Sunday. If you're going to be traveling to the west and the northwest into places like Alabama and North Mississippi, Memphis, Tennessee, there will be a greater risk for severe weather. Scattered severe storms are possible for us. Mostly general thunderstorms will be expected. So for our Saturday, we'll have a mix of clouds and sunshine. Temperatures will warm into the mid and upper 80s for highs. It's in the later part of the day when we could see some of those showers and storms begin to develop, indicated by our Vipercast model. Heading into Sunday, mostly dry for us in our area, but as we head into the afternoon, we will begin to see some of those showers and storms develop, and again, into the evening hours, we'll have to watch out for another round of storms continuing overnight into early Monday for Memorial Day itself. For tonight, mostly clear, mild out there with those temperatures in the lower 60s for some of our inland locations, 71 degrees. The forecast low temperature for Hilton Head, and as we look ahead to the next 7 days, we will see those temperatures climb a little bit back into the lower 90s, especially into next week, with scattered showers and storms expected for Monday, Tuesday, and into Wednesday. So if you do have outdoor plans, certainly keep an eye to the sky for those storms developing, and also have a plan B and a place to go in case some of those storms start to develop, because remember, when thunder roars, head indoors. That's a look at your forecast for now. We'll have more coming up in just a bit.
Thank you, Scott.